Hello guys and welcome back to the garage. The season is almost over. Well, let's say the season is over for this bike anyway, because it's soon winter and maybe if I'm lucky I can go out for a ride one more time. So if that's the case, that I get some good weather, I just have to take the Harley out instead. Because as I said, I am going to do some updates on this bike this winter. I talked about this in some previous videos. And the first upgrade I'm going to do is to install a disc brake on this bike, because I've changed everything when it comes to the brakes on this. Everything is new except for the brake drum. The brake drum is old. Everything else is brand new. And this is impossible to stop. The front brake on this one is so poor, it's almost dangerous, I would say. And of course, I mean, the the brake drum is over 30 years old, so it's time to change this. But since I have to change the brake drum and I want the best possible performance of the brake, I'm going to change to a brake disc instead. So that's what we're going to do today. So here's the brake drum, so to speak, where we're going to attach the disc brake. And you can order these different versions. This is like the ones that you have from the models from 1998 and so on. You can order brake drums that actually looks like a brake drum in black or in silver or whatever. But I wanted this one, so you have a bit of different ones to choose from. We have the cable for the brake. Since this is a semi-hydraulic brake, you will use the original lever with a cable down to the hydraulics. In these kits, they are always semi-hydraulic, so you can rebuild this later on if you want to a fully hydraulic system, and changing this and have a brake reservoir here and brake hose down all the way. So that's something you can do later on. One thing that's good when I'm doing this is that all the bearings on the whole bike are brand new, except for the ones here in the brake drum. So these will be brand new now also when changing to a brake disc, so that's nice. So the only ones that won't be changed are the ones in here, but they seem solid, so that's not an issue. Okay, so we're going to have a little look how far we've gotten. We mounted a brake helper, the brake disc, the master cylinder, and the pipes, and the speedo. So my recommendation for you is put the speedo cable in the first thing you do after changing this hub here. From this side it looks like this right now. I'm not going to put the wheel on yet because I want to be able to reach this when I'm going to fill it up with brake fluid and I'm going to bleed it. So I will take the wheel as a last thing. And now we're going to put in you got a brake cable in the kit, because this one is too long. You could shorten this and use it here. I don't think that's a problem really, so you could shorten this and use it. But I'm going to change for the new one. Okay, that's it. The front brake is installed, and I'm not going to put the front wheel back on today. And you will know why if you watch the next episode. But now we're going to go ahead with some other stuff. On my community, I was letting you vote for whether I should go for the front carrier or not, and I think it was pretty clear that without was the answer, and I think so too. So I will go without the front carrier. And while I'm at it, I'm going to swap this for a black one, and I will also change the trims here for the indicators to black ones, so it will be more black rather than chrome. I think that's looks better, you know, with the black parts, the white and the black. So I'm going to go ahead and change this one. I bought a new one here that's black. This particular one has the part number 7676854 from Scooter Center. That's the black one instead. And this one, the chrome one, is of much better quality, much thicker plastic, and you have this plastic in the middle here, strengthen it so it won't bend under pressure when I tighten the screws, whereas this, you can see here, it bends a little bit, and yeah, not very good quality on this one, and it's a bit slimmer also. But it will do for now. Maybe I will take and paint this black instead. But this is how it looks right now, and now I'm going to go ahead with the trims for the indicators. There we have it. Black instead of chrome. I like it. What do you think? Yeah, so I will do the same procedure in the back with the rear indicators.